Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08. It's a little bit cold in the garage, hence the hat. And today we're going to find out if my PVC cap will work as a replacement for an air pressure regulator valve. I've got an inexpensive air compressor that's had a bit of an issue. I've replaced it with a piece of PVC, and we're about to find out if it holds pressure or if it just pops off. Now we're going to set back where it's a little bit of a safe distance in case it pops off. It's not going to hit me in the eye or something. But I've got the GoPro set up right over top, so hopefully, if it does pop off, we should be able to see what pressure it finally let go at. Fingers crossed. Let's slide on over there and see how it goes. Alright, GoPro is rolling. We are back at a safe distance. Plugged in. It's actually working. It is holding 120 pounds of air. That is my PVC cap. The regulator is supposed to thread on there. That is a threaded on this side size adapter with a plug that is flipped or wedged in the top, drilled, screwed, and sealed with liquid nail to hopefully hold it. We've got a slight leak right in here where the fitting hooks up there, but that's not a big deal because we're actually holding air, actually holding pressure for once. And if you're holding pressure, what's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do? You check the air pressure in the tires of your cars. Let's start with the Deedle. Let's pull it in, see how its tires are doing. Right at 30, that's a little low. Perfect. Yep, everything's a little low. Right on the money. Alright guys, so now that we've got a functioning air compressor, I can open up this thing and hopefully see how it works. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Somebody else might want to know how to fix their air compressor in a way that I don't recommend whatsoever, but it seems to be working for right now. But until next time, thanks for watching. I'm Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and don't forget to go check out the Facebook page. There is now a Dirty Trucker 08 Facebook page on Facebook. It's the Facebook, the book with the face, the Facebook, the little blue thumbs up and all the things. Dirty Trucker 08, that's all you gotta search for. All one word, all together. Dirty Trucker 08. I think I've said that a couple times now. And we'll be unboxing and opening and seeing what it does next time. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all around. See you later.